Ever get trapped in a rainstorm and found that your cell phone is soaked and not working? Have you dropped your cell phone in the toilet or a puddle of water? If so, try this method to save your phone. It just might work. Watch this video to the end for some powerful helpful information. How to fix a water-damaged cell phone. 1. Remove your phone from the water quickly. 2. Remove the battery if you can or turn the power off. 3. Remove SIM card also if possible. 4. Take off any plastic case carefully. 5. If moisture is seen, do not use a blow dryer. 6. Use a soft cloth or paper towel to gently dab it dry. 7. Some suggest a light vacuum if there are no loose parts to suck up the water. 8. Place the phone in a Ziploc bag with silica gel for 24 to 48 hours. If this works, you have saved some money. You might want to keep an eye on your phone for about a week. If your phone does not work, it's time for a professional. The method described in this video has worked for many wet phones, but not all. Saving money these days is key. But sometimes it is often best to seek a professional for phone repairs. How would you like to find a way to get some good money for that phone that doesn't work? Just follow the link in the description below for a step-by-step method that can show how to put money in your pocket. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like, thumbs up, click the link in the description and start your own online business.